Hello mga quiz, meron naman tayong i-review na earning apps. Ito yung Game Cash. Ito yung unang kapag in-open na natin yung Game Cash, may different mga offers. May Torox, Lotably, Time Wall, and AdSense Media. Munta naman tayo sa payouts. Dito tayo mag-request ng payouts kung maabot na natin yung maximum payout. May iba-iba din silang gamit na pang playout. May PayPal, Binance, Crypto, at Roblox. Balik tayo dun sa offers. Dito tayo mamimili ng gusto nating laruin. Like example, itong Lootable. Dito, magda-download lang tayo ng apps at gawin yung task para maka-earn tayo ng Game Cash money. And then, kapag nakuha natin yun, pwede tayo mag-pay up. That's all. Thank you.